Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting and informative tutorial for you on creating a V2Ray VMess server account and setting it up on Dark Tunnel VPN. In today's digital landscape, online security and privacy are more important than ever. Although many VPNs claim to offer top-notch protection, the reality is that true security often requires a customizable approach. While some VPNs come with built-in servers and pre-configured settings, others, like Dark Tunnel VPN, allow you to tailor your settings for enhanced privacy and protection. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your V2Ray VMess server and configure it on Dark Tunnel VPN, giving you a higher level of security and control over your online browsing. For more hidden tricks and VPN updates, check out our blog. But before we dive in, if you're new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on any of our tutorials. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type in UDP Custom and press Enter. You'll see a list of search results. Make sure to click on the official UDP Custom website. Once on the UDP Custom homepage, look for the menu icon, which may appear as three horizontal lines, often called a hamburger icon. This is usually located in the top corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. From the options list, choose V2Ray Slow DNS Server. This feature lets you create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS. Clicking this option will take you to the next page, where you'll need to choose a server location. After selecting a location, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Enter a username, solve the CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a bot, and then click Create Now. Within moments, your server details will be generated and displayed on the screen. Be sure to copy this information as you'll need it for the next steps. Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device, type Dark Tunnel VPN into the search bar, and press Enter. Once the Dark Tunnel VPN app appears in the search results, click on it to open the app's details page. Here, tap the Install button to begin downloading and installing the app. Once it's installed, tap Open to launch the app. On the app's home screen, look for the three dots in the upper right corner and tap to expand the menu options. Select Tunnel Type. In the menu list, tap on Tunnel Type. A pop-up window will appear. From here, choose V2Ray at the bottom of the list. This opens a new interface. Now click on the Open Editor button to bring up a new input window. Paste the server information you copied earlier from the UDP Custom website. Once the details are added, go back to the main screen and hit Connect. Within a few seconds, your V2Ray VMess server will connect, providing you with a secure and high-speed internet experience. And there you have it. You now know how to create a V2Ray VMess server and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN for a truly private and secure online experience. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Stay secure online.